Ah, who was that?
You girl follow me, man, you. Girl follow me. Oh, yeah, take all my money, put them for your head, yo. For your head, yo. Oh, oh, mama, mo. Oh, yeah, take all my money, put them for your waist, yo. For your waist, yo. Oh, oh, oh.
So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Yemi Abiodun. Hope you missed me. If this is your first time stopping by, you're most definitely welcome. I'm a beauty vlogger, obviously. I do natural skincare videos and simplified, easy beginner makeup tutorials. So you want to hit that subscribe button so you will be notified anytime I upload a new video. And forget the background. I make videos for my dorm room. So this is just a brow makeup tutorial for those that have given up on doing brows, that feel they can't just use their normal hand to like go into their brows. If you understand what I'm saying, if you know, you know. So that's why who I dedicated this video into, is so beginner friendly. Don't forget to click the subscribe button so you'll be seeing this beautiful face. And anytime I upload more videos, you'll be the first to be notified. So guys, we're going to need a sunshade to do this. We're not going to be wearing it, but we'll use it as a guide for our brows. So I'm taking that part of the sunglasses and aligning it to my brows, the top of my brows, just the way I'm doing. So I'm going to be filling in my brows just below, placing these sunglasses on top of it. I'm going to use it as a guide, and I'm going to place the arc on the arc of my brows, if that makes sense. So I'm going to take it lower underneath the arc of my brows, and I'm going to align it, and I'm also going to be filling it also. It doesn't have to be perfect. It's going to all come together later, trust me. So I'm just filling in the sparse area. I use this brow pencil, a random brow pencil. Just make sure it's the color of your brows. So I'm using the Milani concealer in golden beige, and I'm using an angled brush. It's perfect for this. So I'm going to be dipping my brush in the concealer and aligning the angle of the brush underneath my brows to clean up the edges of my brows. And that's what I'm doing there. I'm going to take it on top of my brows also, and I'm going to use it to clean whatever mistake and just make the brows sharper and comes out more clean. So that's what I'm trying to do over there. Yeah, so after doing this, I'm going to need a blending brush and a spoolie. That's a spoolie. We're going to use the spoolie to blend in the front of our brows so it looks more natural. That's what I'm trying to do. And we are going to comb up the hairs of the brows back. So I'm going into my brow pencil again, and I'm trying to fill in all the sparse areas that are showing, because after putting your concealer, it's going to bring out all the flaws, all the sparse areas. So I'm going into my brow pencil to darken in the brows a little more, and I blend with my spoolie, and I'm just blending out the excess concealer. I'm using that blending brush to blend out the excess concealer, and I'm just going to continue blending the excess concealer. So I'm just done blending the excess concealer. So I'm going to go over everything with the other brows so you guys can understand. So I'm going to take a random face brush and I'm just cleaning the front of the brows and cleaning out what is left and the excess and just making it perfect. So you don't have to be perfect. Our foundation is going to clean up the rest of the concealer that we're unable to blend out properly. So I'm just using my foundation there and doing the rest of my makeup, and I will come back, guys. So, if you want me to do more beginner friendly makeup such as this, maybe eyeliner, whatever, make sure to comment below. And don't forget to click the subscribe button. Feel free to share this. Okay, so that's it. Um, After putting every other part of my makeup, the brows and everything comes together. So my foundation kind of cleaned off the excess. So if you guys like to see any other kind of video, feel free to comment below. What kind of videos do you want me to do? So guys, that's all for my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, if you liked the video, don't forget to click the like button below this video, and so don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the little notification